So today I'm about to show you how to send messages using N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a webhook node to act as your trigger. Connect it to your chosen messaging node like Slack, Discord, or Telegram. Click into the messaging node, select your credentials, and navigate to the text field. Build a dynamic notification by clicking inside the box and mapping data variables directly from your incoming trigger panel, so N8N populates the real details instantly. Pro tip: don't create separate nodes for every message variation. Drop a single switch node right before your messaging block to route different events based on data conditions. Alternatively, use a code node running a quick JavaScript object array to precompile all of your text formatting in one place. This keeps your canvas clean, slashes server overhead, and guarantees instant delivery. And that's it. That's how to send messages using N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.